Good morning and welcome back to the Vietnam Motorbike Trip. So, in Cao Bằng here today at the, I don't know what I said this hotel was called yesterday, but it's called the Clover Hotel. The Clover Hotel. The link will be in the description from yesterday's video. I'm almost all packed up. Gonna get the bike loaded up, start driving out of town. Of course, always catch gas somewhere on the way out of town and hit the road. So, I'll see you out on the road.
Like we've had wind for the last 3 or 4 days. I don't know what's going on. This is normal for here or what? Usually maybe you get some winds when the front's passing through, but there ain't been no front. There's no been no, that I've noticed anyway. Nice road, not busy. I could feel the wind stop the bike. Decelerate it. I'll tell you one thing I'm really looking forward to once I get to Hanoi is throwing away this damn shirt I've been wearing. I mean, it's been washed, but I've gotten it so dirty since I wear it every day that I'm like, yep, this is a throwaway shirt. Served me well though. Remember getting at the beginning of the trip, I had the white button-down shirt. And I got tired of that thing too, so it's dead. That's why I picked this one up. Okay, took a little break, rest the butt, get a little drink of water, eat some chips. Now, still haven't made it to the gas station yet. We are approximately 12 kilometers. About 15 minutes probably. I'm glad I decided to do this ride today. It's been a nice little, pleasant little mountain ride, good weather. Maybe tomorrow would have sucked, who knows. Okay, we got a rush hour up here. We got the water buffaloes. Hello, hello water buffaloes. Hello, hello baby water buffalo. Oh, and there we are. Okay, got gas. Very nice gas station attendant. He asked me where I was from. He spoke English pretty well. Then he asked me where I'm going, if I was going to Ba Bay Lake. So that's how it's pronounced, Ba Bay. Get past this truck. Not today, final destination. Not today. Just took another little break. And currently 50 kilometers from the destination. Oh, water buffalo. Water buffalo. Okay, let's take a little breaky break. About 10 kilometers from the destination. Interesting bridge. A lot of dragonflies. And I raised my visor, but catching a dragonfly in the face does not sound good. Yep, there goes a bunch more past me. This might be the last hoorah, pretty thing. This may way back to Hanoi. Who knows? Tomorrow's drive could be beautiful, but well, if we're wrong, we're wrong.
Okay, got all checked in and on the second floor. And the second floor has a nice little sitting area. Look at that view. Very nice, very nice. Took a while to get the checked into reception. I think the lady was like banging away somewhere. I think she was locked in what she was doing, but she came down and got me checked in. So, beautiful little spot. Anyway, let's go check out my room. Of course, I'll put the link in the description of the place. I think I'm the only guest. I didn't see. I was the only motorbike down there. Got the nice little bathroom. Typical bathroom. Which reminds me, where's the... Okay. I was like, where's the shower at? I see it over there. Okay. And we got 2 beds. Got to do our do the bed check here. Got a feeling this is going to be firm, but usually when you see the little short, thin mattresses, it's firm. But the other night I was wrong too. I thought something was going to be firm. Okay, it's definitely firm, but it's not rock hard. It's not rock hard. So, I say on the firm side, on the firm scale, 1 being super soft like you're laying in a cloud, and 10 being you feel like you're laying on concrete. I'm gonna give that a solid 7. That's a 7 in firmness scale. It's like a little bit more firm than that, and it's probably uncomfortable, but right there, that's comfortable. Okay, for me. Now, for you have to have your own firmness scale now. Don't go by mine, because I go tomorrow will be about the same distance as today, I think. Maybe a little shorter. And then it's only like 60, 70 kilometers day after tomorrow to get to the bike shop. Because I'm driving straight to the bike shop. If you're liking these videos, be sure to like and subscribe. Helps me out, helps the channel out. Link will be in the description of this place. And also, get out there and enjoy yourself. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.